Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to solve basic algebraic equations where there's only one unknown letter. We have two equations x plus 5 equals to 10 and y plus 6 equals to 9. So first we see the unknown letter in both equations. In first equation we have unknown letter x, in second equation we have unknown letter y. To find the answer, have to rearrange the equation to get the unknown letter by itself. If we see the left side of the first equation, we have plus 5. If we move plus 5 onto left or right side, it will become negative 5. So 10 minus 5, it will become 5. We will write the positive sign because in this value 10 is bigger than 5. We apply the same steps on the other equation. So y plus 6 equal to 9. If we move plus 6 on the left or right side, it will become minus 6. So 9 minus 6, it becomes 3. Remember that these steps are only applicable only one unknown variable equation. I hope you understand this concept. If you understand this, so solve this equation and answer in the comments.